Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to design a single angle section which is connected to a gusset plate by using welding. In my previous lecture I told you about tension members problem. This is also one of the tension member problem, but it is connected by using welding. In my previous lecture I told you about only bolting connection, but in this video I will show you about welding connection. So in this there is no angle section, we need to design for an angle section. So for that purpose we need to choose the angle section. For choosing the angle section we need to calculate the required gross area. Okay, same as in bolting problem, like that we need to consider AZ for AZ required. So AZ value, for AZ required we need to calculate AZ equal to gamma m naught Tu by Fy. We already know this formula by using IS 800 2007 in section 6. This formula is available. So AG gross area, required gross area. So for that, for the angle section, so here single angle section and connected to a 10 mm gusset plate by weld. Okay, we need to calculate design tensile strength of that angle, and the tensile force carrying by that angle is 180 kilonewtons. So for this, first I am going to calculate the required gross area. Gamma m naught, we know the partial safety factor. This formula is available in table number 5, page number 30. So Tu is tensile force already given in question, that is 180 kilonewtons. That's why I multiplied with 1000 by yield stress, that is 250. So I got 792. So after getting this value, we need to choose the angle section by referring SP6. So in page number 10, I choose 70 by 70 by 6 mm angle section because the gross area of this section is 806, which is closer to this value, this AZ required value. Okay, so now I am providing AZ 806, which is ISA 70 by 70 by 6 mm. This is equal angle section. Equal angle is nothing but, if the angle section is like this is 70 and this one is 70 and the thickness is 6 mm. Okay, so for this angle section, this one is 70 and 70, 6 mm. I choose this one. For this AZ is 806 mm square. Like that we need to provide the angle section, choosing the angle section. So for after choosing this angle section, we need to calculate, already we know that design strength due to yielding of gross section and rupture of design strength and block shear. Code is specifying these three type of strengths we need to find out, nothing but yielding, rupture and block shear. First I am going to calculate yielding of gross section. So this value is this formula is available in page number 32. Already we know that. So TDG equal to AGFY by gamma m naught. AG is nothing but gross area of the section, that is 806. 250 is yield stress, that is 250, which is available in code book, and gamma m naught partial safety factor, that is 1.1. This is in kilonewtons, that's why I multiplied with 10 power minus 3. So 183.18 kilonewtons. After calculating this, we need to calculate the design strength due to rupture. We know the formula, TDN equal to 0.9 FUANC gamma ml plus beta into AG naught Fy by gamma m naught. This one is also specifying in code book. In this, we know the value of Fu and gamma ml, Fy and gamma m naught, but the unknowns are ANC, AGO, beta. Okay, Fu value 410 ultimate strength, gamma ml is 1.25 partial safety factors, these two values. So after that I am going to calculate ANC and AGO, net effective area and gross area. So this one is ANC, nothing but connected leg, net area of the connected leg. Connected leg is nothing but, or in question he mentioned that this is our gusset plate which is 10 mm thickness, and our angle section is connected like this. This is our angle section which is 70 and which is 70, and welding portion is this one here. This is side view, this is side view of the section, and both the welding done here. Okay, this part is welding and this part is welding. If suppose the same view we draw here, This is another view. This is the welding portion. Like this we can connect. This one is the welding portion. Okay, this is the force direction. This 70 and this one is 6 mm is thickness. So this is the connected leg. ANC means connected leg, AGO means outstanding leg. Outstanding means which is not connected to the gusset plate. Okay, so here this is 70 by 70 means this is equal angle. There is no unequal angle. This one is 70 and this one is 70. So both are equal. So 70 ANC connected leg. I am going to calculate the area. Area of this connected leg is nothing but formula for this L into B. So B is here. The thickness is the B value. But here length. Length means we need this value. L into B. So sorry, L value. From here to here the length will vary like this. The total length is 70, but here the angle section is like that. I will draw here. If suppose this is our angle section 70 by 70, but the angle is up to here and this one is up to here. So total this one is 70, but in this 70, in this portion, this angle also included. That's why we are considering up to here. That means half of the thickness by 2. That is 6 by 2. That's why I'm writing like this. So total angle is 70 and this angle is also involved in this section. Okay. So that's why I'm taking this 6 by 2. Okay. 70 minus 6 by 2. That is total length. Length of this one. Into B, that is thickness 402. Same outstanding leg also. Here both are the equal means we got the equal value. After that we need to find out the beta value. Beta, he is specifying the formula 1.4 minus 0.076 into W by T, Fy by Fu, Bs by Lc. But here W is nothing but this value where the connected leg is, where the connected leg distance, that is W, which is 70, and BS is also outstanding leg which is connected to welding up to welding distance, that is also 70, which is specified in code book. Like that we are calculated because these two are equal angles. That's why we are getting the same values. Next LC. LC means length of the end connection. Length of the end connection means from here to here. This is our welding. So length of the weld connection is from here to here, it is 70, plus here to here it is 70. This is also welding. So 70 plus 70 by 2, that equal to 70 mm. That is length of the weld connection. Next, I am substituting all these values in the beta. So beta equal to, I got this value. But code is specifying that beta should be less than Fu gamma m naught by Fy gamma ml. So Fu value we know that, Fy value we know that, these two values also we know that. I got 1.443. Beta greater than or equal to 0.7. Hence it is satisfied. Beta is, we got 0.85966. This is, which is less than 1.433. I substitute all these values in this equation, rupture strength equation. Okay. So after that I got 197 kilonewtons. But code is specifying that another approximately we need to calculate the TDN value, which is TDN equal to alpha ANFU by gamma ml, available in page number 33. So in this alpha value, which is for welding purpose, code is specifying that alpha equal to 0.8, but in bolting connection it will vary. It is 0.6 or 0.7 or 0.8, which is available in code book. For welding connection it is alpha value is 0.8. So 0.8 into AN is nothing but ANC plus AGO, which is specified in code book. ANC plus AGO, we already know that 402 plus 402. These are the ANC plus AGO. I got 804 into Fu 410 by 1.25 gamma ml. I got 210 value. So this have you observe this TDN and TDN both are same, but these two values are closer. Okay. Like that we need to calculate the rupture strength. Next one is block shear. After calculating the rupture, we need to calculate the block shear. In this, the code is specifying the two formulas, after calculating these two formulas, we need to take in the smaller value in these two. So this is AVG and ATN, AVN and ATG. In this we don't know about these four values, AVG, ATN and AVN and ATG. Okay, so this is a shear. AVG means gross shear, AVN is a net shear, ATN tension, ATG is also tension. But here AVG means nothing but 2 into 2 means both sides we are doing the welding like this. I'll show you in this diagram. Yeah, this one. Have you observed this? Here we are doing both sides the welding. The both sides means, that's why I multiplied with 2, and we know that 70, that is the distance, length of the triangle, into 10, that is gusset plate length. Okay, L into B. L into B, both sides we are doing welding, that's why 70 into 10 into 2. I got 1400 mm square. Like that AVN, because these two are equal angles, that's why I got similar value. Like that ATN. ATN is nothing but a tensile force. Tensile force means which is perpendicular to the force direction. Okay, this is the shear direction, these two are shear direction, and this one is tensile direction, which is perpendicular to the force direction. This one is perpendicular to this force direction, that's why this is called tension portion. So that's why 70 into 10. 70 into 10 is nothing but 70 is the length of that leg and 10 is gusset plate thickness. So I got 700 mm square. Both I got 70 into 10 because these two are equal angles. Both outstanding and connected leg both are equal. That's why we got the equal values. After that I substituted all these values in these two equations. I got 390.342, 397.698. So in this code is specifying that in these two equations, whichever is lesser, we need to consider that. So I considered 390.342. So our design strength is, after calculating these three values, TDN, TDZ, sorry, first one is TDZ, and second one is TDN, and after that TDB. So after calculating these three values, whichever is lesser, we need to consider that as a design strength of the angle. So I got TDZ value is 183 and TDN is 197 and TDB is 390. So in these three, the lesser value is 183.18 kilonewtons. Okay, like that we need to calculate the welding connection. But the main advantage in welding is, while we are calculating the bolting, there is a loss of material because of hole portion. We need to do holes for inserting the bolts, but here no need of wasting the material. The strength is high and the material is also not wasted. That is the main advantage in welding. That's it. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.